Good morning students. I am Rohit Nandan Shukla and I am teaching you maths. Students, today we are going to deal with the topic addition of decimals. So addition of decimals involves these four steps. Okay. First step is convert the given decimal into like decimals. Second step is write the addends one under the other in the column form, keeping the decimal points of all the addends in the same column and the digits of the same place in the same column. Third step, add as in the case of whole numbers. And fourth step, in the sum, put the decimal point directly under decimal points in the addends. Now let's apply these steps in solving these questions. Okay, in this question I have taken two questions. In first question we have to add these 5 decimals. Okay, now students, the first step is to convert these 5 decimals into like decimals. We know that like decimals are decimals having the same number of decimal places are known as like decimal. Here we can see that there is only one decimal place. In this there are two decimal place. In this there are three decimal place. In this there is one decimal place, and in this also there is one decimal place. So first of all we will convert this given addends in like decimals. So 18.600, 206.370, 8.008, 26.400 and 6.900. Students, let's perform the same step here. We can see that there are two decimal places, here three decimal places, one decimal places, here two decimal place, and here again three decimal place. So there are maximum 3 decimal places. So we will convert all the decimals, given decimals, in 3 decimal places. Okay, so it will be 9.090, 0.909, 99.900, 9.990 and 0.099. So in both the question we have first converted the given decimals into like decimals. Okay. Now we will arrange these like decimals in column form so that we can add them. Our first decimal is 18.600. Okay. Now the second decimal is 206.370. First we will put point under the point, then we will write the decimal part 370, and then we will write the whole number part. Okay, 206. Again 8.008, we will write point under the point, then decimal part, and then whole number part. Again 0.400 and whole number part 26. In last one 0.900 and 6. After arranging them in a column, you can see that we have written the digits of the same places in the same column. Okay, now we will perform addition. Similarly, in this problem also we will write 9.090, then point, decimal part 909, here 0, that is the whole number part. Again decimal point 900, here 999, decimal point we will write 990 and here 9. Again decimal point 0.0099. So we have arranged all the addends in the column form. Now we will perform the addition. Okay, so on adding this we get 8, 7, 3, 6, 3, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 on 9, 22, carry 2, 8 to 10, 16, 8, 24, 24 plus 6, 30, 30 and 6, 36, carry 3, 3, 1, 4, 4, 2, 6, and here 2. So, and we will write the decimal point just here, directly under the decimal point. The sum is 266.278. When we will add this, here we will get 9 plus 9, 18, carry 1, 9 plus 9 plus 9, 27, plus 1, 28, carry 2, 9 plus 9 plus 9, 27, carry 2, 29, 9 plus 9 plus 9, 27 or 2, 29, carry 2, and 9 to 11. We will put the decimal point directly under the decimal point, that is here. So the sum is 119.988.